finally found the perfect pair of jeans. Bought 3 pair. But, there's always a but. These buttons just dig into my skin. Look at this. But I fixed it. I'll show you how. Coming up. Hey, Chanel here with another Sew Bit, bringing you weekly videos to help you get better and better with your fashion sewing and more creative. Be sure to subscribe. So I finally found a great pair of jeans. I've been looking for a couple years for the perfect white pair of jeans. They're pretty inexpensive too. I found them at Kohl's for like 25 bucks. Can't believe all the work involved in these. Look at the pocket details and all. If we ever lose China sewing our stuff, we're screwed. Because it costs a lot for Americans to make these. But anyway, I love these jeans. I had to actually lengthen some of them because when you wash them, they always shrink a little bit. I have a jean hack for that. Sew Bit number, can't remember, but I put an end card up here and put a link in there. You just check the playlist and you'll find the jean hack to lengthen hems. It looks like this. I added a little extra piece from old jeans that I had that were worn out, and I cut them off, so I had to add another. Whenever my pants shrink, they're always about 1 inch too short. So this one's almost there, but they actually fit perfect. But now I have the problem of these buttons right here. I always wear my shirts over jeans, but they're so thick. But the problem is in here. It's just this silver button thing just digs into my skin. So I gotta figure out a way to fix this. So what I've done was I found some fleece like this, just average fleece or just something soft, and I gonna cut a little square here. Going to use the Stitch Witchery stuff. It looks like this, and this is basically glue. You iron it on, so I'll show you how to do that. And I'm going to iron that piece over here, and then I'm going to take another piece about this big and then line it up and actually put another piece of that glue stuff on top of that. Line it up right there so that all of that, I have a double layer right where those studs parts are, and then I'm going to like use a Stitch Witchery there. So I don't know how long it'll last, so I'm actually going to hand stitch it over that part too, and that should give me a nice little soft cushion there so it's not killing my stomach. It just digs into my skin. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Okay, let the surgery begin. So first I'm going to take off some of this stuff and put it right on top of those metal buttons. And put some fleece on here. Probably should use a press cloth too. Sometimes this fleece will stick to the iron, but it's doing pretty good. It's a high setting steam and it just sticks right to that. This is a thicker one. Let that get in there really good. Yep, stuck. Now I'm going to put another piece right here and here, probably maybe about 3 pieces, and then line this up here. And I'm going to actually go over a little bit here so that that doesn't dig into my skin, because you won't see it from there. And just iron on this piece. Really let the steam get between all those layers. Like that. Okay. That should do it. And now to keep this down, I'm just going to hand stitch around here. I could machine stitch it, but then that would just be another stitch going through, which is irritating. I'm just going to go through here, hide that knot, and then just do a couple little stitches. So I'm just barely catching that fabric there. This will work on any jean. And go through here, and this is just a big elastic band. It really is comfortable jean, and it stays up really well. This jean company's trying to figure out a way to help us keep our pants on there. They're always sliding off, so that's why the elastic's in there. Okay, make that kind of loose. Don't want a loose, tight stitch. And just gonna go up, catch a little bit of that. Come around here for some security on that in case that glue comes off. Stitch around it. And that is it. Use a double thread here. And just do a loose stitch, catching so thick. I just catch some of the thread and go around it. And that should do it. Catch it in here. And I'll hide the knot under here, because the knot itself could be irritating if it's anything sticking into your skin. Just put a knot there. Make sure all this is smooth. Clip that off. Give a little extra press. My iron is cooled off. There we go. Should be a lot more comfortable. Okay. Didn't change the front. And it feels much better here. I can still feel those things under there, but at least they won't be rubbing right on my bare skin. So, I've had these jeans for a month or two. I've been trying to get to this. It's a new year. Getting all these little projects done. Make myself more organized and feel better. So, if there's anything you have in your clothes that is bugging you, you're wondering if there's anything you can do to fix it, let me know in the comments below and I'll see if I can help you out. All right, I'll see you in the next sew bit.